Greens, cabbage, scallion, apple, banana, avocado, fennel and cucumber water. And we will top it off with shredded coconut, pumpkin seed and cucumber. So what this on will go into the mixer. So all I need to do now to cook my soup is to blend it in this blender. And there we go. And now the final touch. Soup, pumpkin seed, some cucumber, and finally some shredded coconut. There you go. Raw food soup, Florentina. Fast, easy, good